Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do Eurostep in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and click on this icon next to home. And then from here, you're gonna see all of the sections. We're gonna go ahead and click, for example, on limited time events. And then we're going to go to the training camp like this. Click on play. Click again on play. Continue. Right now, we're going to wait for the match to load. And as you can see, guys, I'm right now in the training camp. So basically, guys, perform, in order to perform a Eurostep, you need to go near the goal, and then you need to hold shoot 2 times, and then you will perform it. It's a little bit hard to perform, but once you get used to it, it will be easy. So for example, I'm gonna pass the ball to this guy. So you need to go from the side like this, double tap it, and then, so I'm gonna pass it here, double pass it, and then score it. So always double tap the shoot button and then hold it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.